There's breaking news just coming in. All India Personal Law Board, that is Muslim Personal Law Board, opposes government directive to organize Surya Namaskar program in schools between Jan 1 and 7 on the 75th anniversary of Independence Day. Says Surya Namaskar is a form of Surya Puja and Islam does not allow it. That's the latest coming in right there. Ashish will be joining us for the very latest on this. All India Muslim Personal Law Board opposing government directive to organize Surya Namaskar program in schools between 1st Jan and 7th Jan on the 75th anniversary of Independence Day. Says Surya Namaskar is a form of Surya Puja and that Islam doesn't allow it. Ashish is now with us. Ashish, why is this particular directive coming in from the All India Muslim Personal Law Board if the government wants to organize a simple Surya Namaskar program in schools on the 75th anniversary of Independence Day? Going on to make statements like Surya Namaskar is a form of Surya Puja and Islam does not allow it sounds very archaic.
Yes, Chati, you are absolutely right. Khalid Saifullah Rahmani, the Muslim cleric, very senior Muslim cleric, as well as Secretary General of All India Muslim Personal Law Board, he issued a statement against the decision of government, where government plan and propose Surya Namaskar between 1 to 7th of January in 30,000 schools across the nation. Saifullah Rahmani in his statement clearly cites the Muslim religion view and belief, where he clearly says that Muslim doesn't believe in God's son and they don't worship any idol or any such a lord, and that is against the Muslim practice belief. And that's why Saifullah Rahmani, a very senior Muslim cleric, he is in a view that Muslim students should abstain, should not join this Surya Namaskar program organized by the government. Government has organized this program in view of 75 year of Indian independence, and that's Swarnim verse.
The Surya Namaskar, what is exactly their problem? Surya Namaskar has been done globally. It has got multiple health benefits. What's their problem?
Yes, that's what BJP is now criticizing this particular statement issued by Maulana. They clearly say, BJP leader, I was speaking to BJP leader, senior national leader of BJP. He clearly says that when globally Surya Namaskar and yoga got recognition, several of the countries, they are following yoga. Several of the nations, they are organizing yoga event at this moment, at this time. Opposing this
you know what, we'll continue getting more updates and reactions. We'll get some political reactions on this story that is coming in at the moment. Muslim board going on to oppose Surya Namaskar in schools, question arising on why. In the meanwhile, let's listen into Prime Minister Modi in Imphal.
Co-presented by Berger Paints. Paint your imagination.